안녕하세요, this is Gia. If you have kimchi that was in your refrigerator more than 2 weeks, how about making piping hot and fiery kimchi stew? Let's make kimchi jjigae today. To begin, thinly slice the green onion. Green onion is used for both flavoring the stew and serving as a garnish in Korean cuisine. I enjoy the addition of tofu to the kimchi stew. For today's recipe, we'll use a tuna can. Open it and use the oil that is in the can. Place sliced green onion into the pot, add some more oil, and heat it over medium heat. Stir fry the green onion until it becomes fragrant for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Introduce the chopped kimchi and gochujang to the pot. Here's a tip to make the stew delicious. Stir fry the kimchi for a minimum of 5 minutes over medium or medium-low heat. While kimchi jjigae is relatively easy to make, this step is crucial. Next, incorporate the soy sauce and fish sauce and continue to stir fry for additional 2 minutes. Keep stirring, making sure not to burn it. Extending the cooking time of the stew will enhance its flavor to the maximum. Add water to the pot. Higher the heat and bring it to a boil. When it gets to a boil, remove any foam that's on the top to make clean broth. Reduce the heat and place tofu to the stew. Add canned tuna and sliced onion on the top. And sprinkle half a teaspoon of Korean chili flakes, gochugaru, and let the ingredients submerge in the stew. Simmer it over low heat, covering the pot with a lid for 3 minutes. Smells wonderful. 참치 김치찌개. The tuna kimchi stew recipe has the lowest chance of failure and is guaranteed to succeed. Yum. It's a little bit spicy. It has a umami from the kimchi, and the tuna goes just perfect. There are varieties of kimchi jjigae, the kimchi stew, and the flavor and the taste depends. It's different actually, depending on what ingredient it is cooked with. The tuna kimchi stew is one of my favorite. Give it a try.